Hello and welcome to Low Budget Gaming, and welcome to a quick unboxing and first impressions for the Redgear wireless controller. So I picked this up from Amazon recently and I thought I'll do a quick unboxing to show you what it looks like. So this is the box. This is the wireless version. There are two versions. There's a wired version which is I think 899 and this one is 1099, so 1100 rupees. So this is the box here. It's got a two dongles or something. Yeah, two dongles, and yeah, it's almost exactly like the Xbox controller 360. It looks very similar. So anyway, let's just open this up. I've cut the tape here, so yeah, it was sealed. I just cut it and just quickly have a look and see what it looks like and if it's any good. I was hoping it would be a bit easier to open. Okay, so it's more tape here. So here we are. Actually, it looks alright. I'm pleasantly surprised. The quality is actually not bad at all. Yeah, feels good. Yeah, honestly, first impressions holding it in the hand, it's actually really good. Triggers, okay, a bit springy. The triggers are a bit springy. So I'm guessing with these cheaper controllers, that's the thing that goes. It'll depend how long we can handle this before this goes, but at the moment, buttons maybe not as good as the Xbox 360 buttons, but yeah, for the money it's not bad. 1100 is about $16-17. So also it's got batteries built in, so unlike the Xbox 360 version, the wireless one where you had this big block of batteries, it doesn't have that. But surprisingly, despite the batteries, it's not that heavy. It's actually feels quite light. Anyway, so in here, what else do we have? I'll just put this here. We have one of the dongles. I don't know how this works. And there's another dongle, and yeah, so we have the USB dongle 1, dongle 2. Okay, I don't really know how this would work, but what I'll do is I'll use this for a while, maybe a week or so, and then give you my review. And yeah, but first impressions, really good. I like it. I wasn't expecting the quality to be this good. So what is this? So we have the tiny driver CD as well. So we have the quick installation. It's weird looking at it through the camera. Yeah, it looks identical. I don't really know what the turbo button does. Anyway, so yeah, so that's a quick look. Overall, good first impressions. Check it out. I'll put the links to Amazon, and watch out for my review, a bit more detailed review for this. I'll compare it with the 360 controller and give you my thoughts. Okay, thank you and see you in the next one.